Hi there, everyone. My name is Andrew. I'm a Senior Product Manager at Atlassian, working on Progressive Delivery. So building on top of what you've just heard from Rama before from Salonis, we wanted to look at how the open tool chain as a concept is something that actually can bring in a lot of the capabilities that Rama has built from a custom workflow into being something quite native inside of Jira. So whilst Rama's leveraged things like Jira issues and also make.com external automations, by leveraging the open tool chain, we're looking at how do we expand on top of Jira's core capabilities by bringing in security, testing information, and other kind of third-party vendors to directly integrate into Jira. And by leveraging that, we've created a new experience inside of Jira called Progressive Delivery on top of the Releases Hub. What this attempts to do is really take the experience of releasing to market by building a native go, no-go experience inside of Jira. This enables not just developers and product managers to be involved in the act of releasing, but also involving support engineers, content designers, and other designers or lead engineers to be part of the collaborative decision to have confidence to go to the market together, right? Ensuring that as a team, we feel comfortable and confident to hit that launch button and go out to our customers. So why progressive delivery? Why that terminology? Well, as Rama illustrated before, a release is so much more than just a deployment to production. It also means that we need to review what analytics are going to track that release. How are we going to measure which feature flags need to be rolled up and down over time? This is really what progressive delivery leans into by providing guardrails for teams to slowly roll out together, ensuring that not just on the day of making a go decision, but in the days after, we've got a way to measure our success together and then make those incremental roll up, roll down, deploy or roll back decisions together. So looking here at the Progressive Delivery Hub, you can see on screen it's within the Releases Hub itself. And teams can access this today inside of Jira by clicking and creating a new version. Here you can see at the top, we've got what's called a delivery section, which is what we've labeled under related work. This delivery section kind of takes together all of that non-technical work that's just as important to get a release out to market. We look at things like release notes, monitoring dashboards, blog posts, and obviously other kind of content around your change management process internally. Under that as well, you can start to see a set of lights, which are like Jira issues. And in addition to that, we've added statuses against each of those components. And we'll dig into that in just a moment. So if we go to an empty state of this experience, we can see that we've enabled a smart way for teams to plan out their release. Here we've got Fran, a product manager, who wants to add items to his release, and Atlassian advises him on what's important for him to add to this upcoming release. So that's things like you might want to add a monitoring dashboard or a delivery ticket, and then assign that to other members of his team. So after adding an empty state of those, he can create an issue to each of those and assign the right team member to go ahead and do that work. Moving forward in time, after we've added more and more issues to this release, you can see here that each issue acts as a set of lights. We can see the connected SCM information from things like pull requests and branch information. We can also see deployment information as well. Zooming in on that, you can see those ticks against those cloud icons, indicating that this is something that's not just has gone from staging into production. And next to that, that team has connected feature flag integrations. We can also display the rollout percentages against those issues as well, meaning the Jira issues have so much more life than just when they're set to done. Those done issues go somewhere, they end up in production, and we make it easy to track that from the customer's perspective. To close us off today, there's two additional capabilities that we'll soon be releasing to market. An Approvers and Reviewers tab, which really hits that enterprise requirement that Salonis has indicated today by ensuring that the right people can check off a release before it goes out to customers. Additionally, we're going even more granular in regards to progress tracking for releases as well. Thank you very much for having this overview of progressive delivery, and we appreciate your time today. Thanks.